Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of the Potluck. For detailed description and more exciting recipes, kindly visit our website www.thepotluck.in. The link is given in the description below. Also, please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. We mothers hustle tussle a lot to impress our kids when it comes to food. So today's recipe is for our kids. I have tried recreating KFC style chicken popcorn. So let's see how to make it. Let's start with the step number 1, marination. We need buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, don't worry at all. I'll tell you how to make instant buttermilk. Take 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and add in a cup of milk. Give it a good stir and wait for 5 minutes. Ta-da! Our homemade instant buttermilk is ready. You can see milk is curdled and this is exactly what we are looking for. It is good to go. Let's move on to the next ingredient. We will add 3 eggs. Give it a quick whisk. Now we will add chili powder, cardamom powder, dry rosemary, chopped ginger. I'm taking garlic powder here. If you don't have garlic powder, don't worry. You can take chopped garlic. We'll add salt. Mix it properly. See, our marination is ready. I have taken cube size pieces. There is no hard and fast rule. You can take wings, strips or drumsticks. You can take as per your choice. Koi masla nahi. Toss the chicken properly. Make sure each piece is well coated. Now cover with plastic wrap and pop it into the fridge for 4 to 5 hours. Let's move on to step number 2, coating mix. Take all-purpose flour, cornstarch, chili powder, cumin and coriander powder, fennel seeds powder, salt, garlic powder, crushed black pepper. We will add baking powder. Yes, this is the magic ingredient. It is going to give us that flaky KFC texture to our chicken. Mix everything together properly and keep aside. Now step number 3, coating. Chicken is well marinated overnight. Now we will start our coating process. Toss chicken pieces in flour mix one by one. Make sure each piece is well coated in flour mix. See, I'm taking time to coat each piece properly. Make sure you are doing the same. Once we are done with our first coating, we'll move to the next coating. We'll repeat the process. Take one piece and dip into the remaining batter and again coat with the flour mix. Finally, chicken pieces are ready for frying. Let's move on to last step, that is frying. Take enough oil in a frying pan and bring it to medium high heat. You can see chicken frizzling into hot oil. Fry until it's golden brown and crispy. Wow, this is perfect. Each bite looks so beautiful. Trust me, guys, it is quite close to KFC. Same crispy outside and juicy inside. Please give it a try, and I promise your kids will love you for this recipe. Enjoy KFC style chicken sitting at home with mayo, ketchup, and garlic dip. If you like this recipe, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and stay united. I'll see you next time with new recipe. Take care of yourself and bye bye.